Join us on the Disney Destiny Maiden Voyage Sail-Away Party with a special appearance from a really popular person.
Well, everybody, I just have one question for you. Who is ready to set sail on the maiden sailing of the Disney Destiny? I am glad to hear it. We are so excited for you to discover everything this beautiful ship has to offer. You know, this is a very special moment because now each and every one of you is part of the history of the Destiny. So with that, I would like to propose a toast. Will you please raise your glasses? Here is to the magical memories we hope you create on the Disney Destiny during this sailing and during all the ones you will take in the future! Now what do you say we get the sail away celebration started?
Are you ready for a new fun magical adventure? My name's Brandon, and we're so excited to have you here for the next 4 fun-filled days. And we want to meet you. In fact, I was just meeting with the Miller family, all the way from Pennsylvania. Give us a wave, Miller family. Now, as you can see, we have already set sail, but let's get this party started with some deck dance for magic. So, here to start the fun is my friend, Dominique. Hey, Dominique, who are you meeting down there?
Oh, I was just talking to Peter Parker, all the way from Queens, New York, here visiting with his aunt. Give us a wave, Peter! Where'd he go? I guess everyone's excited to get their vacation started. Who's ready for a great vacation? Oh no, we can be louder than that. Shout it loud and proud. Who's ready? Well, we're going to start you off with some awesome moves, and everyone can do it. Here we go. Come on, my friends. We got Jorge and we got Ryan. We about to do the Cupid Shuffle, y'all. Now, when you are following along, we're going to face that screen. Hey, 'cause here we go. To the right. And to the left. Now kick it out. Now go in a circle. Roll in a circle. To the right. And to the left. Now kick it out. Walk it in a circle. Walk it in a circle. To the right. And to the left. Now kick it out, y'all. Roll it in a circle. Now I wanna see y'all dance it. And to the left. Now kick. Throw it around. One more time. To the right, to the right, to the right. It's okay. To the left, to the
Electro, my old friend, Spider-Man. Stealing power from a vacation cruiser? This is a new low even for you, Electro. Be right back. Where do you think you're going?
What's going on?
Spider-Man's in the funnel, and they're fighting.
Well, what do you need to do?
That doesn't look good. Spider-Man pushed him in the water. Is everyone okay?
I sent Electro for a swim. Now that that's settled, time to party.
Thanks, Spider-Man.
Wow, that was incredible. There are stories of heroes and villains everywhere here on on Disney Destiny. And here are your storytellers.
Friends and Destiny Seekers, my name is Zaya.
And I'm Gamble, here to share the stories of destiny.
Tales to enlighten and amuse. The ocean is a place that exists in between stories.
The perfect place to reflect on who you are.
And who you are meant to be. A place to seek your story.
Or define your destiny.
The stories are all around us. Fairy tales, myths, legends.
Opposing forces rising to find their purpose.
Wicked villains facing a fate.
And courageous heroes forging their path.
The question is, what is your story?
Allow us to guide you on destiny's journey. Together, we will set sail.
As your story begins. Oh, this is going to be a good one.
Okay, come on. It's time to celebrate. It's time to celebrate. Now put your hands up, magic all around, and I can get enough. Yeah, I can feel the love, and they're just waiting for us on the sea. I can't wait to find you, for you with the family.
Doctor, I have a question for you. Are you ready to discover your destiny? Now that's what I'm talking about. It's time to say goodbye to Florida and hello to your Disney cruise vacation. For the moment you've all been waiting for, it's time to sound the ship's horn. Captain Willie.